You've probably heard people say this land has C of O, the ultimate stamp of approval. What exactly is a C of O, and why does everyone talk about it when buying land in Nigeria? If you're Nigerian in diaspora or at home and you're planning on buying land, this video will save you from making expensive mistakes. So let's break it down. So what exactly is a certificate of occupancy? A certificate of occupancy, generally known as the C of O, is a legal document that is being issued by the government that proves you have the right to occupy a piece of land for 99 years. Think of it as your car papers, but in this case, it doesn't just say you own the land. The government recognizes your ownership. So when someone says this land has C of O, it means that the government has formally allocated this piece of land and it's being recorded in their books. So I'll be telling you some importance of C of O. 1, it gives you legal proof of ownership. C of O is the highest form of land ownership that is being recognized by the government. It confirms that the property legally belongs to you and protects you from ownership disputes, encroachment, and government takeovers. 2, it gives you protection against land disputes. In Nigeria, a lot of people claim the same piece of land. But having a C of O ensures your name is recorded with the government as the legal owner of this property, protecting you from land grabbers and fake sellers. The third one is it increases property value. A land with C of O is easier to resell or lease. Buyers and investors see it as a sign of legitimacy and are willing to pay more for that property. Number 4, it gives you access to mortgage and loan. Some financial institutes and banks require C of O as collateral before granting loans and mortgages. If your property doesn't have C of O, they won't recognize it as a secure asset. Another importance is that it gives you protection against government acquisition. When the government wants to acquire land for public use, owners with C of O are entitled to compensation, but those without C of O often lose their land without payment. So this is where many people get it all wrong. A land without C of O doesn't mean it's automatically fake or risky. There are other valid documents in Nigeria, such as excision, governor's consent, and deed of assignment. So in my next video, we'll be talking more on deed of assignment and excision. But let's throw more light on governor's consent. In Nigeria, the duration of time for C of O is 99 years, and a piece of land cannot have 2 C of O. When a land already has a C of O and the owner sells it to somebody else, the buyer must obtain governor's consent to make the transfer valid. The governor's consent is the government's approval for the next person to take over that same land. So if you buy land from someone who already has C of O, your title won't be recognized by law until you fully possess your governor's consent. So here's how to verify C of O. Before you pay for any property, make sure you verify the title. And here is how. 1, visit the land registry in the state where the property is located. Secondly, check the C of O number, the plot details, and the name in their record. Thirdly, if you are not around, maybe you are abroad, hire a trusted real estate consultant or a trusted lawyer who will help you to do this research. Don't rely on only WhatsApp pictures. Request for an official report from the registry. In case you don't know how to do this research or you don't know how to go about it, that's where I come in. As a real estate consultant, I help my clients to verify their documents before any payment is made. A few days of due diligence will save you from years of regrets. So before you send money for that hot deal, take a step back and confirm the title. If you need help understanding or verifying C of O or governor's consent, you can send me a message through the link in my bio or call the number on your screen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who is planning on buying land in Nigeria. Bye, and see you in the next video.